Hi, I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. In this episode, I will make a childhood favorite. It is jello fruit cake. First, I will make my jello. My jello, I have here 1 packet of jello. To this one, I will add 1 cup of very cold water. You see, I put ice in my water. I want it to be super cold. And I'm going to add now my very hot water. Now that everything is well incorporated, the jello powder has dissolved into my water. I need to work a bit quickly, so this mold has been sprayed or brushed with oil, so it will be easy to demold it. I'm gonna take my savoiardi, dip it very quickly in here, and start to arrange it in my mold. 1 layer first. This whipped cream is very simple whipped cream. You can get it store-bought or do it yourself. Just whip some heavy cream with some vanilla, but I like to take it 1 step up and add the zest of an orange. I'm gonna grab my mold back and start adding dollops of jello. Even it out in the mold, and at this point start adding the fruits in 1 layer here. I can sprinkle here some nuts. Now that I lay down the layers of my fruits very slowly and my jello is no longer hot, I'm gonna add it very slowly to the mold. And now I'm gonna take my mold and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight, for everything to set, and we end up with a beautiful jello fruit cake. My jello fruit cake has been resting in the fridge for several hours, and now I'm gonna demold it. This is the moment of truth. I get a long neck bottle here or a container. I put my mold with detachable base in the center and I push it. First of all, use a sharp knife and run it through the edges to make sure it doesn't stick when you demold it. This is a step that I made it already. You pull very gently, very gently. And now, this is how I like to decorate it. Some whipped cream infused with orange zest. I have a piping bag that I fitted into this container with a spatula. I'm gonna take a few dollops here. Voila! This is my easy peasy jello fruit cake, perfect for special occasions, especially for Saint Valentine's Day. It's semi-homemade. It's an Egyptian with an Italian and French influences. I am so delighted to share this childhood favorite with you. Try it in your own kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment below this video. And I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.